Vince Camuto woman is many different women. She's a woman that has taste, she has intelligence, she has fashion flair, who knows what she wants. The spirit of the Vince Camuto brand is to have wearable shoes, but with great style. The new brand is basically more street fashion, because I think this is where the real woman really lives. They look great with skirts and with pants, but they're cool looking. And that's what the Vince Camuto shoe is about. You gotta live fashion every single day. That's probably the most exciting thing in our business. The inspiration that we have for the brand comes every day, whether we're in New York or Morocco or anywhere. It could be texture, it could be material, it could be architectural, it could be anything. We've made many brands and built many brands throughout all the years. And we think it was time, with our legacy that we have in the shoe business, to now have a brand with our own namesake.